guys, I'm Maria from Brianna's Braids and I have Brianna with me today and we will show you how to do an easy braided ponytail. So let's get started. I already have the high ponytail in. Now spray a lot of water. You want pretty wet hair for this hairstyle. Brush it out and now take a small section of the hair by the right side of the ponytail. Make a loop between your point finger and your middle finger. Now thread that strand under the ponytail, over, and pull the end through the loop. Let's go through it again. Add a small section of the hair to your current strand and again make a loop between your point finger and your middle finger. Thread that strand behind the ponytail, then over ponytail and pull it through that loop. And it's that simple. Let's go again. Add a small section of the hair from the ponytail to your strand. Make a loop, thread the hair under ponytail, then over ponytail and pull it through that loop. Continue making these stitches and for each section I'm making about 6 stitches. Also, I'm using a bit of a spray gel to keep the hair sticking together so you don't see any of the flyaways. And again, add a small section of the hair from the ponytail to your strand, make a loop, pull the hair under ponytail, over ponytail, and through the loop. In the end of 6 stitches, tie the ponytail with an elastic.
When we are talking, maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you wanted to.
Once you're secured the ponytail with an elastic, I'm going to split it in half and tug it so the elastic lifts up and we could hide it under the hair. And let's move to the other side. Pick up a small section of the hair on your left side, make a loop between point finger and middle finger, put the strand under ponytail, over and through the loop. Again, add some hair to your strand from the ponytail, make a loop with your point finger and your middle finger, put your strand under ponytail, over ponytail, and through the loop. And one more time, add the hair to your working strand, make a loop between your point and middle finger, pull the strand under ponytail, over ponytail, and through the loop. Finish with your 6 stitches and secure it with an elastic.
So abstract, yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends.
I will add 2 more sections, one on the right side and one on the left side.
Between the lines, even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you wanted to, 'cause baby I don't wanna be. Baby I don't wanna be. No baby I don't wanna be. Baby I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a vibe
tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Leave us a comment below to let us know what you think about this hairstyle. And if you like to see any products that we used in this video, I will link them down below in the description box. And we will see you next Thursday for another tutorial. Bye!